So this is a short video which will tell you say if you have a Visual Studio program, how can you generate the class diagram using the Visual Studio. Okay, so this is what we are going to see here. So in this the first thing which we have to understand is that, say if we have a program like this, okay, so if you want to view the class diagram, when you click on the main program, and if you right click, basically it should show the view diagram. So if it is not, sometimes in Visual Studio 2019 what happens is that the package class designer will not be installed automatically. So if it is that, so what you have to do is that you have to go to tools. So basically it's like, when you click on this and when you add a class, so I'm going to add a class. Okay, so here when I see, there should be an option of class diagram. So if this option is not available, what you have to do, that is what I'm going to tell you now. So what you have to do is that you have to go to the tools. Okay, in that you have get tools and features. So click on that. So it will open the Visual Studio installer for you. Okay, it might take some time, and then click on the individual components. So you have workloads, individual components, language packs, installation locations. So in that, click on the individual components. So in the search bar, please search for class designer. Okay, so this class designer is the one which you have to install in the Visual Studio in order to access or in order to generate a class diagram. So when you basically, when you are doing it for the first time, a small button with modify, okay, will appear here. So you can just click on the modify and you can install it. Might take some time. Here in my system I have already installed it, so I'm just closing it. Just a second. So I'm just closing it. Okay, so now what you could do is, when you click on this, so this is singleton pattern, okay, which we are seeing here. So here you can add a class. When you come over here, you will have all these options. In that you will have class diagram. Okay, so I'm clicking on the class diagram. So class diagram 1, I'm not going to change the name, so I'm adding it. So it has appears over here. Now how can you generate it? Okay, so either you can go to the toolbox here and you can create a diagram of in the way you want. Okay, so otherwise if you want to create a diagram by the Visual Studio itself, then you can simply drag and drop. So this is the see, this is the sorry, yeah, so this is the example. Singleton example is my whole singleton program. So I'm simply dragging and dropping it here. So basically what happens is that it shows you the class diagram. Okay, and now what you could do is, you could just right click, both of them as automatically selected, already selected, and you can click on expand. So it will show you the class diagram for this particular program. So you have a singleton class and you have a program class, and for the program class you have the method main, and for the singleton class these are the things which are already there. So this is how you will create a class diagram for the by using the Visual Studio 2019. And if you want to specifically create one, you can go to the toolbox and create your own way. So this is what I just wanted to tell you. If you have any doubts or anything regarding this, you could just ask me. Thank you so much.